When you pray for someone, do it with sincerity and good intentions, because that prayer is first accepted for your own benefit. Before a prayer is accepted, a trial is necessary. When the Almighty grants a person any small or big blessing, that person should always say, Alhamdulillah, praise be to Allah, upon receiving it. Whatever has been given to them, Allah grants even more. Every person used it in their own way, and we kept thinking that these people like us, a person who does good to bad people is not safe from their evil. Many people work against us, but when they meet us, they show great respect. The beauty of love is this: if it is found, a person never grows old, and if it is not found, it makes a person feel centuries old. Do not place so much hope in someone that if those hopes are shattered, you too break along with them. If your intention and conscience are pure, it does not matter whether the other person calls you good or bad. You will be judged by your intentions, not by others' thoughts. Do not worry at all about the people of the world, because no one will account for you in your grave. If the love and respect that people give to the son-in-law were given to the daughter-in-law, believe me, society would become prosperous. The mark of a noble person is that they treat even their enemies well. A person who considers themselves religious, but cannot control their tongue, should know that they are deceiving themselves, and their religiosity is useless. A person who starts climbing the ladder of hypocrisy develops a habit of lying. There are some principles to cutting off ties with someone, and the first principle is to bury each other's secrets. Doubt is a disease that destroys a person from within and takes away the peace of life.